This video will continue to bring you use cases of the iofod platform, revealing step-by-step various tips and more powerful applications about iofod. Let's start by selecting this screen. We will copy this component. Then paste it back into the screen. Then insert a container. Modify the container size. Insert a background color. Let's click on this container, paste it here. Then we click again. Adjust the status to status 1. Click on this icon. Activate its substate. In this container we insert a container. Modify the container size. Add a background color to it. After that we select an icon to insert. Drag the icon out. Modify the size of the icon. Center it vertically with right alignment. Replace the color. Drag and drop the icon. Replace the color of the icon. Modify the size of the icon. Center it left justified vertically. Then we add a text box here. Type the text. Adjust the font size again. Change the font color to white. After that, add a container. Adjust the container size. Cancel the background color, insert a container. Modify the container size. Add a background color. Add a stroke afterwards. Select a color. Add a rounded corner. In this container we insert an icon. Drag the icon out. Modify the color of the icon. Modify the size of the icon. Insert another text box. Adjust the font size. Change the color of its text. Click on this container. We add a general model variable to it. Make a copy. Click on this container. We add a status. Click Activate. Modify its background color. Then click on this icon again. We also add a substate to it. Replace the color with white. Let's select another icon. Drag the icon out. Copy the parameters of this icon. Click on this icon. Let's add a one-dimensional model variable to it. Double-click to add it. Then replace the icon. Let's click on this text box again. We'll add a one-dimensional model variable to it. Double-click to add it. Enter the text. Also add a substate to it. Activate the substate. Align it left. Adjust the position of the container. Replace the text color with white. After that, we add another container. Change its size. Cancel the background color of this container. Also insert another container. In this container we insert a container. Resize the container. Add a rounded corner to it. Insert another color. Make it non-visible. Let's insert another image. Resize the image. Select the image in the clip. Let's insert another text box. Adjust the font size of the text box. Enter the text first. Change the font color. Add a text box. Enter the text. Resize the font. Modify the font color. After that, insert another text box. Enter text. Adjust the font size. Change its color to white. Add another text box. Enter the text. Adjust the size of the text again, change the color. Let's click on this container again. We'll add a general model variable to it. Make a copy. Enter the number of copies. Arrange it freely by stacking it. Then click on this container again. We add a container to it. Modify the size of the container. Adjust the background color of the container. Add another 80% opacity. Let's click on this icon again. We'll add a one-dimensional model variable to it. Double-click to insert it. In the material, select the icons that were inserted in order. Replace the icon. Click on this text box again. Do the same, add a one-dimensional model variable, double-click to add it. Then type the text in order. Replace the text. Do the same for this text box. Add a one-dimensional model variable. Double-click to add. Enter the text. Do the text replacement. Again, we click on this text box. Add a one-dimensional model variable. Double-click to add. Enter the text. Click Apply Replace Text. Click on this text box again to do the same. Add a one-dimensional model variable. Double-click again to add it. Enter the text in turn. Replace its text again. Let's add a state to it. Activate it in turn. Replace its text color with red. The video uses iofod's model variable and substate editing features. So if you want to learn more about iofod, click on the official website to try it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.